Alright, in this video I will be showing you a secret little hideout that I found out, and I'm on my Razor mx650. We'll be driving there. Okay, here we come. Here we are. Look at that, Eldridge Cannon launch. Yep. Just for the sake of this, I will read you this sign. Danger, risk of drowning. Never canoe or enter creek when pathway is flooded. Canoeing at bridge during high water may result in serious injury or death. Elmer's Park District. Awesome. Now here's our pathway. What stinks about riding up is that this goes really slow. Since we're going downhill, I'm not gonna put any lever or go fast at all. I'm going really slow here because look at that. We're right by a lake, or a river, whatever you call it. Look at this. Look at this. There's a tunnel that goes over Butterfield Road. Over there you see a bridge. It's hard to see. I can't zoom in. There's a guy running. Here's the water. If you see, it is very shallow. Very, very shallow. So, I mean, see that? Hi. There's everything. Okay, now we're gonna ride up. See that? That's kind of weird at the end. Okay, we're gonna go up now. It's hard to turn this around. All right, here we go. Oh, look, cigarette. God. Okay, here we go. See, this is what sucks here, is I have to keep these down to put my speed on. All right, let's try this time. Not going that slow. It's hard to drive and ride with one hand. I'm gonna take you back to the field. And then we'll close things up there. All right, I don't know if you can hear me. This is the bike path. Alrighty. I'll take you by the basketball court. It's right up there. That's the baseball diamond. I go there sometimes to play baseball or play catch or whatever, just baseball. All right, look at all this just crap all over the floor, the ground. All right, let's go back. Right here. My friends are over there, so I'm gonna stop.